Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming FL Studio is running and a TTS voice is installed system-wide. Open a new project and add an empty mixer track. This will host the TTS output. Next, insert a plugin slot and load a VSD host like Fruity Wrapper or a dedicated TTS VSD if you have one, because that bridges system speech into the DAW. Once done, route the plugin output to the mixer track and set monitoring so you can hear playback while recording. Now you create the spoken audio and capture it into FL Studio. In your TTS app, type the script, select the voice and hit play while Fruity Wrapper or your virtual audio cable routes audio into the mixer track. Arm Edison on that track and hit record. You'll capture clean waveform takes. Once recorded, drag the clip to the playlist, use time stretch to fit project tempo, and apply basic EQ or compression on the mixer to make the voice sit in the mix. Make sure to normalize levels. Finish by polishing and exporting the TTS audio. You should add short fades to remove clicks, use a de-esser if sibilance appears, and apply light compression to maintain consistent level. Once satisfied, select the playlist region and render to WAV or MP3 with the desired sample rate. If you hear nothing, stop and verify routing. Confirm a CO driver is active, Fruity Wrapper or virtual cable is selected as input, and the mixer track has input monitoring enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.